ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇರಲಿ. ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Can you mention the other devices which use in internet?
Yes, monitor, computer, tab, phones are many devices use internet.
Thank you for your information, Teju.
Welcome. Daily life, the first man-made plastic created by the Alexander Pass, and it showed in international exhibition in London. We throw plastic away, stay on Earth's surface many centuries. It is not a easily biodegradable material. We throw plastic on water, water will be polluted, and water animals died in the water because we throwing the plastic, and we burn the plastic, air will be polluted. So we want to avoid the plastic. So please avoid the plastic and save our environment.